Big man, how are you?
You can put also like, yeah, like these areas of ours for taking porridge. It's good for porridge. And ajon.
Ajon. Ajon is it alcohol?
Yeah. Those one. This local of ours.
Even a butia.
Yeah, even a butia.
So, how long does this one take to grow?
To grow? I think
that's 1 month, eh?
Yeah, like 2 to 3 months. Yeah.
So, do you cut it before it is dry or after it is already dry?
Yeah, sometimes you cut it when it is dry.
Yeah. Sometimes when it is not yet.
Yeah.
When it is summer or not yet.
Yeah.
In the middle, eh?
Yeah, in the middle, because you cannot cut it when it's hard also. You cut it when it is a bit wet, eh?
We under that trade there, saving life.
Because you can't manage to cut them when it is hard. Yeah.
So what instrument do you use for cutting? Knife or?
Yeah, knife. Which knife?
Just this ordinary knife?
Yeah, this ordinary knife. Because you can cut them when they are still, when you touch like this, it's still, like they are still wet, yeah? Yeah. You cannot cut them when it's hard.
So can you tell the people how many cultural uses of this calabash do you know? Especially for the Karimojong sub-region. The ones that you know.
There are many. Like, want me to say what?
Yeah.
How?
The cultural uses.
Okay, the cultural uses. Most, like for this one, in cultural day. This one, we use for eating. Even we take alcohol. Sometimes in music also. We use it for music.
Oof.
Yeah.
It's okay.